Hi, my name is Kate Bradford and I'm a member of the Purdue Engineering Student Council. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY marshmallow catapult. So for the catapult, you're going to need 7 popsicle sticks, 4 rubber bands, and a spoon. You'll start off by taking 6 of the popsicle sticks and stacking them up one on top of the other. Just like this. So now you're going to take 2 rubber bands and wrap them around each end of the stack of popsicle sticks. Just like that. So the next step is to take your last popsicle stick and place it underneath your stacked popsicle sticks just like this. Then you're going to take your spoon and you're going to place it right on top of it like this. Next, you're going to rubber band this popsicle stick and the spoon together. Then you're going to take your last rubber band and you're going to rubber band around the cross section right here. And with that, the catapult should now be done. So you can take whatever object you want and launch it.
Okay, so how does the catapult work? Well, you see the straight position of the spoon here is its natural state. So when you press down, you're depositing energy in the spoon, like a bank account. This is called potential energy. And when you release it, the spoon jumps back to its initial position, converting that potential energy to kinetic energy, the energy of motion. That motion is then transferred to whatever you put in the catapult, creating a flying projectile.